At Forex Trend Following Academy, we provide you with the right tools to become consistent, successful traders. We developed the most powerful and profitable technical analysis indicators, which tells you to buy or sell precisely. Very easy concept. Don't take my word for it. Look at our past 4 years' trading results. These signals were generated by our non-repainting trading system and sent in our free Telegram channel in groups. I will show you some of the recent trades and leave the link for you to check all the trade history on your free time. Some trades go as far as 150 to even 700 plus pips on shorter time frames on a single trade. Yes, you heard it right, single trade. And some go as far as 3,000 plus pips on bigger time frames, like daily chart. So here's how the system works. It sends you a visual pop-up and sound alert on each signal. Buy when green box forms, when color changes from red to green. It's as simple as that. This trading system is based on logic and price action. It does not repaint once it sends the signals. It allows you to trade with confidence. It lets you cut the losers short and let the winners run, and catch monster trends when it forms in real time. The indicator works on any time frame, M1 to weekly. Get your own copy of one of our powerful technical analysis systems. That is your first step towards financial freedom. Sell when red box forms, when color changes from green to red. You can now enjoy a Forex lifestyle, work from anywhere while on vacation. Most importantly, making huge profits with little effort. Using our technical indicator, there is no market manipulation. Most newbies and the 95% unsuccessful traders try to pick tops and bottoms to enter trades while we are preparing to exit. They use trend lines to try and pick reversals. What they don't know is trend lines and news events is used by market makers as their own tool to easily manipulate newbies to buy when they want to short the market, or send them to sell when the market is going bullish. No time to trade or sit in front of the charts all day? Here is your solution. The indicator sends signals direct to your email inbox or push notifications from MetaTrader 4.5, depends on the one you purchase. It may also be used on higher time frames like daily charts. In that case, you only have to check your charts once a day when a daily chart closes at a specific time in your GMT every day. We are here to share a secret at Forex Trend Following Academy. You can actually increase your income every month. 95% of Forex traders in the world lose money, wash out of the markets each and every day. Are you tired of blowing up your Forex accounts? It doesn't matter how many times you have failed. Remember, you only need one chance to be successful. At Forex Trend Following Academy, we provide you with the right tools to become consistent, successful traders.